guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show. Me, your host Sean. Today we're discussing why I think Neo will have a mini crash. Well, I think the market will have a correction, and why I think a few penny stocks will be worth getting into. To start with, we start with Neo. Now, with Neo, you have to, and this is all to do with JP Morgan. If you remember in my previous video, I showed you a piece where JP Morgan received one of the biggest fines for market manipulation. Well, it seems they're at it again. Now, you remember back here, now remember I've held it since $3 a share, and people have criticised me for selling out of my initial investment recently. When the share goes up so quickly, there's going to be a correction, unless it's going to carry on going supernova and there's something to cause it to. Now, first thing is, Neo is known for dilution, and I don't think dilution is bad when the money is used for something, as in the past it is used to buy back some of the shares. I think the company should dilute now and see about buying back the rest of the shares if they get it back on the terms they got. However, dilution just for the sake of dilution is never good. But saying that, when the shares was about this, was just here, JP Morgan came out with a report to say we're bullish on the shares. They went up to $14, $15. And if you remember, JP Morgan then came out with a price target of $10, and it dropped again, dropped down to $10 before consolidating at around $11, $12 a share and doing a sideways action move. Now, why? Because they obviously bought shorts in the company. They bought their shares in the company and then they shorted the company. Now, the same thing has happened here again. It's gone up. You've seen it go up. They suddenly, now they buy 1 million shares, suddenly 2 million shares, and they say the company is going to do incredibly well over the next 12 months. Now, 12 months is a long way away. And remember, I'm a Neo bull. I was from $3 a share. I got a lot of flack over it. And then, if you look, they took out 1 million short positions, which tells you that they are about to release a short report, or at very least release a price target that is less than what it is at the moment. All I'm saying, I'm not telling you what to do with it. I'm just saying, if you got in at $3 or even $10 a share, you might want to consider taking something off the table. It doesn't mean you don't believe in the company. You're just being smart. Now, there was a certain PhD, Sven, who said financial YouTubers could be banned by the SEC for taking money for videos. I think the first people who should be banned are these companies who take out short positions and then release a short report. Companies like JP Morgan, Roth Capital, you know, they run they pump and dump the company because they earn money off of your losses. Anyway, let's move on. Guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. If you want to help support the channel, don't forget to smash that lovely like button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification if you want to be reminded of when a video gets uploaded. And why not smash the sexy subscribe button? A lot sexier than me, just ask the wife. And because I upload multiple times a day. And while you're at it, why not comment in the comment box down below? I'm also putting a load of free links in the description box. Why not check them out? And if you're looking for a free trading platform on which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out Free Trade Trading with 212 and Stake? You get a free share worth up to £200 or dollars for signing up and depositing a small amount. So now, sundial growers. Now, had a run up like I mentioned this before. It had a run up like a lot of MJ stocks, then it came back down again. Now, as a lot of states are talking about legalizing, and Biden's got in, I think it is one to watch. Another thing with this MJ is the whole reason behind the legalization is to bring in tax dollars during a period where they have lost so much money because of the Rona. Now, they're not going to let those tax dollars go to waste by allowing them to import from over the border at Canada. So if you're buying Canadian companies, you might get some short-term fluctuation off of it, but I do not expect them to go supernova like they did before. Now, you may get them shipping in some, but I do not expect them to go supernova, because it'll be the US tax dollars they want. So it'll be the US companies. There will be a stipulation in there where they will, for the Canadian ones, they will have to pay a huge tax bill. That's what I'm expecting anyway. This doesn't mean it will come to pass. Now, oh, I think I've gone past ADMP. Now they have an FDA approval coming up. You can see it's had a run up and then a pullback, and there's been quite a lot of volume in it. And if it starts to run to 85, I think it could be worth picking some up to $1 a share on a pre-anticipatory run up. ADTX Therapeutics, these have a COVID test, but it's a specialized test that doesn't just say yes or no, gives a lot of other information as well. And this should be out and distributed by 2021 if it gets emergency approval. And you can see how it was a lot more than it is now. And I don't see any reason why it wouldn't get the approval. Qualigen, sorry. Now, this is one that if it starts to move, it will move quick. It has its little ups and downs, ups and downs. It's been trading sideways for a bit. And the last one is ATIF. It's a Chinese stock, and they've been soaring because of Biden, but its return of its return, like ROCE, is 3.8%. So you want to look further into that. Remember, these are just to put them on your roadmap. You need to do your own independent research yourself. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll see you in the next video.